Is that it? That could have been a travel size. What a waste of space. Welcome to Lucky Dip. I am Sarah Marie, and today's episode has the best lip and blush combinations from different brands, and together it's perfection. Absolutely love everything in this bag today. Hey, let's take a look what's inside the bag today. Well, we've got the Mercier Light Catcher, which is a loose powder. It's got a little bit of a glow in it. I have not tried this yet, so I'm excited to give that a go. We've got MCoBeauty Blush and Go Cream Stick. We've got the Nars blush in Impassioned. Let's see, what color would Impassioned be? I picture red, but let's see. We've got the Morphe Ballet Lip Filter Lipstick, and we've got the Morphe Signature Lip Pencil in Dearest. Let's open up this blush. Oh, how cute is this packaging? And it has a little love heart. Oh, it's a lovely pink. Oh, I thought that was gonna be really satisfying ASMR. Let's try this again. Oh my God, this is so much smaller inside than I thought it was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be a really fat blush. So it's a wind up blush. I think the color is lovely. I wonder how much you get in this. Is that it? That is the biggest packaging for that small amount of, that could have been a travel size. What a waste of space. The blush is literally the size of the lid. They could have done that so much more thin. Mercier. It's very shiny on the hand, but hey, anything you put on the hand, the pigment's always gonna show up way more. Feels really soft, feels very smooth. Okay, let's put this on. For the record, I do have foundation on already. This isn't something I'm gonna put on bare skin. I would wanna put this on foundation. I don't think any of these powders are gonna do anything if you have just no makeup on. Love that. Actually really rate that. Mercier, you can't really go wrong. You really can't. Hello blush, meet again. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the cream blush first. I think the color is really pretty. I think it feels very comfortable so far. You can use your finger, you don't have to use a brush. I love it. I think the color's really nice. I think it blends perfectly. I think it's really lovely. You don't need much. I actually really love this. This color is called Hot Pink, and I think the color is gorgeous. I think it's really sweet. Look at that. It's a really lovely shade. Really lovely shade. It's not overpowering at all. Love the color. I think it's gorgeous. Definitely worth the fact, it's balanced out. It's won me over. Even though I was bagging it out for the size and the amount of product you get, the product will still last you a long time. The color's great, blends well. It's good, okay. I am actually gonna do a technique where I put a powder blush on top of a cream blush. This is a really nice way to adjust your shades. You can make things matter, you can adjust the glow, you can adjust the color, you can adjust the pigment. This is a lovely technique I've been using at home. I've actually been doing it with the Patrick Tar blushes because they come with the cream and the powder. I'm gonna do it today with the Nars and the MCoBeauty blush. I'm gonna pat a little bit of the blush onto this brush and very lightly go over where I've applied the cream blush. And the reason why I wanna do this is because I think this particular shade's gonna really brighten up this color, and I wanna bring this powder blush up to kind of close to underneath my eye. Like, think of it where you're gonna put concealer. It's gonna feel really awkward, like it shouldn't go there, but that's where I want it to go. So really up high, kind of like going underneath my eye, like that. Look at the difference between this side of my cheek and this side of my cheek. And this is just so much more sharper and lifted versus this side. It just has this really lovely way of not just shaping your face, but the way it glows, it's kind of more like an airbrushed finish versus just applying a cream blush. Again, pressing that on, you're not wiping the blush. Love that. I'm gonna do a touch of this on my nose a little bit, and a little bit down the side, just a touch. You don't have to do that, I just feel like it's gonna be really cute. I'm going to also put a little bit of this blush on my eyelid. And now let's put on the lip liner and lipstick. This lip liner and lipstick is going to be such a pretty combination. It's a darker lip liner and a lighter lipstick. So we're going to get more of an ombre look. I love this because it's a really fresh pink look without being an overpowering pink. Okay, so don't forget, I'm not going to be applying the lip pencil all the way to the edge. I'm going to apply about 3/4 of the way, then flip the pencil the other way to its little bum and go back and hard just to blend and soften that out. Make sure it's even. Now I'm going to go back over the Cupid's bow. I'm going to get the Ballet and just pat that on my lip. I'm not going to wipe, I just want to pat. I'm not going up to the lip line. Just a light pat. See, so now the lips have a lovely ombre look. I do think this needs mascara, so I'm gonna go get the mascara out of my makeup bag. I'm gonna have my mascara fairy, please. I need mascara for my lashes, thank you. So this is the Gucci mascara. I'm only gonna apply this to my top lashes. I'm not gonna apply this to the bottom. I want everything to be more lifted and really fresh. We needed the lashes, okay? Especially if we're not gonna be doing much eyeshadow. We've really got just a bit of the blush on the eyelid. You need the mascara to finish it off. Everything here complements each other so well. This blush with this blush on top, and don't forget the tip about using it all the way up to underneath your eye. And I love this combination. It makes a really lovely ombre lipstick. Everything is a win for me. Everything is a win. I actually love everything in this bag today. That's the end of this week's episode of Lucky Dip. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our socials for any videos you haven't seen here on YouTube. See you next week. Bye.